Hello guys. I'm here with this thing. And I'm going to make sure the fuel gauge is actually working properly, because after making my last video, I realized with it pointing up, that means it's out of fuel. But down here, it's got plenty of fuel. So there's something up with the fuel gauge. But to get to the fuel tank, this entire body piece has to come off. Now, you might think, oh, that's going to be so motherfucking hard. No, it's not. There's just 2 screws on each side, totaling 4, securing this to this. I'm going to get those out and pull this up and off, and I'll be back. Alright, I got all 4 screws that need to come out. Now, easiest way to do this, gas cap off. As you can see, there is fuel. Can I turn on the... Don't question why it's blue. Because we just get straight diesel for it. We don't worry about putting the red dye or anything in it. Steering wheel. Alright, up. Alright, now that I got that up, I'm going to put the fuel cap back on. So no liquid nothing else gets in there. Cool. Doing stuff.